Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to enable the auto hold. Let's begin. So at the very beginning you need to use the home screen. From the home screen, let's open the car icon, this blue icon right here. Then from the left tab, let's choose the fourth option, which is the vehicle settings. Under easy driving, you've got auto hold. And let me enable this feature just by using this toggle right here. So this is a lifesaver in traffic jams. Once you came to a complete stop, the car holds the brakes for you so you can take your foot off the pedal. The brakes releases automatically as soon as you press the accelerator. So it's so much easier to drive with auto hold, so I highly recommend to have this feature enabled. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.